Moving slowly with my woman. Chase is putting pants on Riley. God, that was an evil laugh. It was wholehearted. How's that working out, babe?
It's alright. This is a home video for Scotty.
Buttercup keeps fucking with Riley too. Oh, not without your pants. You don't.
Put your pants up, Riley.
Riley. Fucking funny as shit. Oh my god. I don't know why everybody in the world, if everybody smoked pot, there would be no war. We'd just be putting pants on dogs instead.
God damn, her pants never fit right.
Well, it's John Mills pants, so there's that.
They're a little thick.
Ooh, you know what? I have some little shorts. That might be cute. They're yellow.
You have crotchless panties we can put on, right?
Oh, that's
so your
sick.
tail can go somewhere?
No.